It is about 10:20-ish, April 25th, I believe. We just came in. I got here yesterday afternoon. We got to hunt right away this morning. Did our first setup. It was real rainy last night, so nothing really happened. Pretty slow morning. So we went back to the house, loaded up the power bikes, loaded those up, and came back out here, covered about 700 yards into this weird little bottom green field. Hopefully we can find a straggler that's just kind of running around by himself, wants to respond to a call, and see if we can't make something happen. We're going for the crossbow tonight, so we got till 1 o'clock, see if we can't make something happen. All right, it's mid-morning yet. We got a little bit of time left here. Our setup this morning didn't work out, so we took the rad bikes back in here and slipped into this little bottom field, and nothing is really responding. Everything's pretty quiet, so we're gonna start calling and see if we can't get something to happen and pull something out of this bottom down here and see if we can't get some birds in the decoys. All right, we just got finished calling on a set, and we just looked over and we got a couple turkeys here coming off to the left side into the field.
You got him, dude. You got him, Dylan. Oh my god. You got him. Are you kidding me?
Yo, man, I arced that thing in there. We switched arrows. I didn't think we were gonna be able to switch arrows without him catching us, and sent that baby right in there. Dude, my hands are tingling like crazy.
Good shot, dude.
Yeah, dude. There we go. That's a big bird. All right, there he is. It's been a weird morning. This whole thing kind of started last turkey season. I come down, and opening morning, we had them come right off the roost to us, and I got real worked up. It's kind of one of those things you don't realize it till you do it. And I got real worked up. You know, it just didn't work out for me. I ended up pulling a little bit on my shot and missed. So come down this year now, I got a little free time from work and everything, so I made the 10-hour drive from Minnesota, and was extremely excited to get after it with Wyatt and the boys. And so it's been a couple year thing to now this. We wanted to give me a little bit of confidence, and so we wanted to shoot it with the crossbow and just get a little bit built up, you know, just so it's not such a surprise. So tag's filled now. I gotta wait till Monday. I'll be behind the camera for Wyatt and the guys, and we'll see if we can't get another couple birds done, and then get after it again on Monday and see if we can't put another one down. But all in all, it's been a great experience. I want to thank everyone for letting me come down and seeing all the boys down here. I mean, this morning's been, like I said, been goofy. We had a lot of rain last night. Things didn't work out like they were supposed to, and we came in here, slipped into this little bottom green field, and we're sitting there, and nothing was responding at all. These birds were sitting down in that bottom while Wyatt called at them, and finally we noticed a couple heads kind of come up out of the ditch, and they came right in. We thought we were going to be able to headshot them. They kind of skirted us and were being a little bit finicky, and it didn't work out like that. So we switched arrows real quick and put a shot on them about 20 yards. And I'd say it worked out pretty good for us. Yeah. Beauty bird. I'm excited, man. It's been a fun hunt. Can't wait to get after it again Monday and get behind the actual compound again and see if we can't have the same outcome too.
Well, it's April 28th. I haven't really been able to get back out, but everybody's been killing turkeys. And so I took the morning off from work. Me and Dylan and Wyatt are all out here. We got 2 birds right here. We didn't eat roost last night because the last time me and Wyatt came out here, they were all down here in this bottom, so we're gonna sit here. They're probably within 200 yards of us on right now already, so Dylan's gonna be shooting back up. Hopefully he can get his second bird here in Missouri. We'll see what happens. Where's the other one? To the left. On the tree line. Oh yeah, there they come, dude. You ready? No. Wait. Stand still. Wait, okay. Come on there. He's still there. Take it down. Give him a little click Okay, now he's 30. Just take your time. Right it on the back. Broke the streak, baby. You got it. Nice shot, Tim.
Did you see the blood coming? Squirting up in the air. Oh my god.
Hey.
You don't need to do that, man. You're good.
Oh, I got too excited, man.
That's all it was.
Well, we had a picture-perfect hunt this morning. We snuck into this bottom where me and Wyatt heard them all the other morning. They were probably 100 yards in the tree from us. They flew down, and there is no looking back for them. They came right to us, walked straight here, and, well, one of them caught a headshot. The other one got real close, but that happens. I've been on a 3-year dry streak and not being able to hit one, so it's a time for a change. And, yeah, so here we are with one dead at least.
TC finally broke his dry streak, and it was a lot of commotion. That was the first time that I've ever had an opportunity at a double, and he hit his right on the button. Other one went to get on top of it. I drew, and it was just a lot of moving around, and I just couldn't hit my mark. I kind of center punched him in the wing, and he lives to see another day, and we got one dead bird. So that's the way it goes. Better luck next time.
Well, it's April 28th. Finally got another day off work, but didn't take long for this one to come in this morning. They flew down probably 100 yards from us, walked straight in. 2 of them came in. One of them was acting a little spooky, but after this one hit the ground, he was all over it. Dylan, if we didn't have the bullhead on, we have a double right here, but we were trying to do a double head shot and probably should have switched arrows, but we didn't. So, I mean, it happens. I've been doing it for 3 years without killing one, so misses happen, and I know for a fact they do.
We got the whole rest of the day, so we'll see. Tim's got to head to work, and we're going to go see if we can get myself back on one. Who knows, maybe Wyatt and I could double. So, nice shot, Tim.
Well, that wraps it up for this week for me.